Good students, today I will teach you about work. What is work? When you know that a force by which applied on a body and body displaced from its original position, thus the force and the product of force and displacement is called work. Work means displacement should be compulsory to do work. Thus we define here look here, a force applied on this object and displaced from its original position. Okay, here a force displaced and thus by this force object displaced from its original position in one direction. Thus the product of force and displacement of object in one direction is called work. Okay, here on this basis I define the work: a force by which an object displaced in one direction, then the product of force and displacement in one direction. The product of force and displacement in one direction is called work. Okay, we write here work is equal to work is equal to force into displacement in one direction. Okay, or we write here in shortcut W is equal to F into S in one direction. This symbol shows the displacement covered the distance by object, that is known as displacement in one direction. Displacement means when object covered the distance in one direction by a force into displacement. It shows the covered distance in one direction. Okay, student? And here work is also to be done, and here work also to be done when the force is applied on the body which changes shape or size of the object. That is also known as work. Which force applied and which change the shape and size of the object, that is also known as work. Okay, and you know that some work people do work, some tools with easily, that is called a machine, simple machine, by which tools we do any work with easily. That tools are known as simple machine. Okay, here write simple machine, A tool by which we do any heavy work, we do any heavy work with easily that tool is called a simple machine or machine. Okay, tool is called simple machine. Okay, simple machine, a tool by which we do any heavy or light work with easily in less energy. That tool is called a simple machine. Okay, different types of tool. Here simple machines are the category of simple machine are 6 types. The category of simple machines are 6 types. Called simple machine. Simple machines has 6 categories. It has simple machine. It has 6 category as first, lever. Second, thus the lever, pulley and screw. Lever, pulley, screw and base wheel, and 6 inclined plane. Inclined plane. Okay, inclined plane. So these tools are in simple machine, under the simple machine. Lever, pulley, screw, base, wheel and inclined plane. On this basis, these tools help any heavy work to be easily. Okay, by these tools or machine, we do any work with easily. Okay, these types of the tools are known as a simple machine. Okay, students. Thus, next day or tomorrow I will teach you stepwise about lever, pulley, screw, wedge, wheel and inclined plane. Okay. Next topics in which will be categories of the lever, categories of the machine. Okay, student, I will teach you tomorrow about these machines. Okay, student, thank all of you.